In the world of heart and vascular care, there's no other better place to be than Cleveland Clinic. I'm blessed to be around specialists, world-renowned specialists in various fields, just next door or in the office down the hall. And it's a fantastic opportunity for me and a great chance for me to see very complicated patients and take part in the care of these wonderful patients. I see my role is to empower them to the best of my ability with information about their disease so that they can make appropriate decisions and really guide me as to how they want to pursue further. The visits that are most humbling are the ones where you walk into the room and it's not the disease process that's a mystery. It's understanding and trying to learn from what patients expect of their visit or what they have expectations of their disease. It's coaching them through that that is most humbling to me, because it's hard to often put yourself in the shoes of the patients and try to understand what their thoughts and their fears and their hopes are going forward. And it's always humbling to learn more from the patients and sort of learn from what is important to them and try and tailor our management that way. I think that's one of the most sort of humbling parts of this being a doctor experience.